If your Google Play Store app is offline, not loading, it says no internet, something went wrong, please try again, or some other error codes, then I'll show you some easy ways that will get your Google Play back online in a matter of minutes. First of all, make sure that your internet is working properly. You can do that by opening a different app such as YouTube and try watching some videos. If none of the apps work, then you need to troubleshoot your internet first. To troubleshoot internet connection on your phone, you can try turning on airplane mode, wait for a few seconds, then turn it back off, and make sure that Wi-Fi and cellular data is not turned on at the same time. But in your case, if other apps work but you're having this issue with only Google Play Store, then we'll try clearing Google Play Store's data and cache. The location of the app settings may vary. For that, you need to open Settings and go to Apps. From there, under All Apps, search for Google Play Store, go to its storage, and clear all its data. We'll do the same thing for the Google Play service. But if your Google Play Store still doesn't load, then this may be caused by some misadjusted settings, so we can try resetting all network settings. For that, you need to open Settings again and search for Reset Network Settings. In our case, we have two options, Reset Mobile Network Settings and Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Settings, so we need to reset them both. But before that, make sure that you have all your Wi-Fi passwords and APN settings if you have set them manually. Then go ahead and reset your network settings. After this, Google Play Store will start working normally. Let us know if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.